In operations management, operations objectives and strategies are designed to align with and support broader business objectives. Operations objectives typically focus on cost, quality, flexibility, speed, dependability, and sustainability, and these directly impact a business's ability to achieve profitability, market leadership, customer satisfaction, and long-term growth. Let's explore how operational objectives and strategies can support business goals. Example 1. Cost efficiency. As business aims to achieve cost leadership by minimizing production and operational costs. Operations strategy include implementing lean manufacturing, automation, and just-in-time JIT inventory management to reduce waste and optimize resource usage. For example, Toyota's lean manufacturing reduce waste and minimize inventory costs. In the process, deliver high-quality cars at lower costs, allowing Toyota to offer competitive prices. As a result, Toyota's lean manufacturing and JIT systems reduce excess inventory and improve production efficiency, supporting its business goal of cost leadership and profitability. Example 2. Quality assurance. As business aims to enhance product quality to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Operations strategy include implementing total quality management, TQM, Six Sigma, and strict quality control processes to ensure consistent quality throughout production. For example, Apple's focus on product quality by maintaining a stringent quality control throughout design and manufacturing. In the process, Apple delivered premium products that justify higher prices and reinforce brand loyalty. As a result, Apple's focus on quality control ensures that its devices meet high standards, supporting its objective of being a market leader in innovation and premium products. Example 3. Speed. As business aims to gain a competitive edge by offering fast delivery or time-to-market advantages. Operations strategy include streamline supply chain processes, adopt real-time data systems, and use automation to reduce lead times. For example, Amazon's quick delivery network focus on reducing delivery times and improve order fulfillment speed. By providing fast and reliable delivery, this enhances customer satisfaction and increase market share. As a result, Amazon's logistics network, warehouse automation, and real-time data tracking allow for rapid fulfillment, aligning with its business goal of offering fast, convenient shopping experiences. Example 4. Flexibility. As business aims to adapt quickly to changing customer demands and market conditions. Operations strategy includes implementing flexible production systems and supply chains that allow for rapid adjustments to product lines and volumes. For example, Zara's fast fashion flexibility focus on adapting production and supply chain to quickly respond to new fashion trends. This allows Zara to maintain competitiveness in the fast fashion market by offering new designs in short cycles. As a result, Zara's flexible supply chain allows it to design, produce, and distribute clothing within weeks, supporting its goal of staying ahead of fashion trends and customer demands. Example 5. Dependability. As business aims to build customer trust through consistent, on-time product delivery and service reliability. Operations strategy includes investing in reliable logistics, supplier relationships, and quality control to ensure dependable production and delivery schedules. For example, FedEx's dependable logistics operations focus on ensuring on-time, reliable delivery for customers by focusing on building a reputation for dependable and timely logistics services. As a result, FedEx's operational focus is on real-time tracking, Route optimization and efficient logistics ensures timely deliveries, supporting its business objective of being the most reliable delivery service provider. Example 6. Sustainability. As business aims to achieve sustainability goals to improve brand image, reduce environmental impact, and meet regulatory requirements. Operations strategy includes implementing sustainable sourcing, waste reduction, energy-efficient production processes, and recycling programs. For example, Unilever's sustainable sourcing strategy focuses on sourcing raw materials sustainably and reduce waste in production. Business objective is to align with corporate social responsibility, CSR goals, and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. As a result, Unilever's commitment to sustainability in operations has improved its brand reputation and supported its long-term objective of responsible growth and sustainability leadership. Example 7. Innovation in operations. As business aims to drive innovation to enter new markets, develop new products, or improve existing ones. Operations strategy includes investing in research and development, R&D, optimize production for new technologies, and continuously improve operational processes. For example, Tesla's Gigafactory for electric vehicles focus on innovative production processes for battery manufacturing and electric vehicle assembly. As such, Tesla leads the market in electric vehicle production and drive growth through innovation. As a result, Tesla's Gigafactory is designed to lower the cost of EV batteries and scale production, supporting Tesla's goal of being the leader in the electric car market through operational innovation. In conclusion, operations strategies such as lean manufacturing, JIT systems, and automation reduce costs, supporting objectives like cost leadership and profitability. Quality-focused strategies like TQM and Six Sigma ensure products meet high standards, enhancing customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Faster production cycles and optimized logistics align with business goals of offering rapid delivery and being first to market. Flexible production systems enable businesses to quickly respond to changing market conditions, while dependable operations build customer trust. Sustainable operations not only contribute to environmental goals but also enhance brand reputation. Finally, investing in R&D and new technologies fosters innovation, enabling businesses to stay competitive and enter new markets. By aligning operations strategies with business objectives, companies can streamline processes, improve efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, and achieve long-term strategic goals.